Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to restart your Smart Projector 3 Pro using the system settings. So first of all, we'll need to locate the settings button, which is located in the top right corner of our screen, and click OK on that. From here, go all the way down and find device preferences. Click OK and go for About Settings. Now locate Restart, click OK and then confirm to restart. And our device will turn off and it should start on automatically in a second. As you can see, it's already starting. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.